The Mastering Maintenance, Repair, and Operations course equips you with the essential skills and strategic approach needed to manage a critical, yet often overlooked area of expense control and operational efficiency. Maintenance, repair, and operating supplies are the backbone of a smooth facility and production performance, impacting everything from equipment uptime to employee productivity. When left unmanaged, MRO can lead to excessive costs, inventory imbalances, and operational delays. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to establish a structured MRO program, implement effective governance to sustain it, and drive greater visibility into purchasing and supplier performance. You'll also gain insight into the measurable outcomes a well-managed MRO program can deliver, such as cost savings, improved service levels, and enhanced internal stakeholder satisfaction. By the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to design and manage an MRO program that supports your organization's goals and delivers long-term value. Effectively managing a maintenance, repair, and operating program is essential in today's competitive and efficiency-driven business environment. A well-managed MRO program offers organizations increased visibility, cost control, and strategic alignment across procurement operations and maintenance teams. With proper oversight, companies can reduce downtime, prevent inventory excess, ensure compliance with safety and quality standards, and build stronger relationships with critical suppliers. By completing Mastering Maintenance, Repair, and Operations, you will gain the expertise to better manage your MRO program, driving operational reliability, cost savings, and long-term value for your organization. I'm James Martin, and I have over 35 years of experience as a supply chain professional across various industries and categories with a focus on indirect spend. I hold a certification in the sourcing industry group as a certified sourcing professional. Throughout my career, I've gained practical knowledge and expertise in supply chain management. In addition to my professional career, I am the founder and global network leader for the Purchasing and Global Supply Chain Professionals Group since its founding on LinkedIn in 2007. Comprised of over 160,000 members, PGSCP is a valuable platform for connecting with professionals worldwide, sharing knowledge, and discussing industry developments. Together with my know-how and background, and through connecting with other supply chain professionals globally, I'm pleased to present this course as a collection of experience and understanding.